Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I'd like to share with you another great application for your Windows, and this is very light software. It can be probably a replacement or substitute for Adobe Acrobat, which allows you to see the interface, which is so convenient. But first you need to get it installed, and I will not forget to tell you that it is called a ApowerPDF. And if you want to know how to install it, follow along. Alright, so suppose you downloaded this software onto your desktop or somewhere, and you have to open it, and you are supposed to see 3 items like this, so 2 files in 1 folder. Alright, so let's double click on setup, and it should take only a few seconds to finish the installation process. And when you are done, I will tell you more how to make it work effectively and successfully. Okay, you have to click on this folder and you copy the 2 files. Do right click, choose the word copy, and double click on the shortcut folder over here. Do right click and choose the word paste. Click on continue, and now you are done. The software has been installed successfully on your computer, and I will just guide you a little bit through the use of the software so that you can make use of it to its fullest potential. Alright, so this is by default will be opened by the previous application if you already installed it. If you want to open with a ApowerPDF, then do right click on it and you choose property, and after that click on change, and then you can choose a ApowerPDF 5.4. And now let's double click on it so that you can use the tools which are given by the ApowerPDF. Double click on it, and after that you will see very simple interface, but it's so convenient. For instance, I'll show you. You can convert any particular PDF page to JPEG or photo. For example, click on convert, and you can see a number of formats. You can convert this document to Word, to Excel, PowerPoint, HTML, JPEG, PNG, GIF, TIFF, and that's it. And it's very easy because the interface shows right away there. And this one, OCR, that is optical character recognition, edit, so allows you to type the words if the words are editable. And also if you go to pages, then it allows you to insert, crop, replace, extract. So convenient for the users. And I think that this software is probably 10 times or maybe more than 10 times less space compared to Adobe Acrobat, and it's quite easy to use. And if you want to create forms, possible too. So let's say you want to convert this document to photo. Just click on convert, choose the word JPEG, and you can select particular page. Unlike on Adobe Acrobat, I think you can choose. There is no this option yet so far. So this seems to have more advantages than on Adobe Acrobat. So click on page, and you can choose from what page to what page you want to convert the document to the photo. If you want us to convert this current page, then click on current page and click OK. And then there is another pop-up message interface appearing, so you can click on settings, and after that you can choose the quality of the photo that you want to convert to. Usually I choose 600 pixels per inch, which is clear enough when you zoom in. So if you prefer the larger and better quality, then you can choose 1200 pixels per inch. And also you can decide whether you want to have high quality. Remember, the higher quality the better it is, but the more space it consumes. So click on OK and save. And then we can go to check in document. Yep, so that is the page we convert. It's so clear, and if you zoom in, it still maintains the original quality. So that's it. And well, what else? Now, if you want to explore more, then you can do a few more exploration by yourself, and I recommend you to do self-exploration because it's going to help you to be self-independent, and before you ask for someone's help, at least you give yourself the self-help as much as possible. And I think that is very clear. If you know English, then it's going to help you a lot more, because the word itself will tell you exactly what the functions of the tools are. Okay, this is the sharing from me regarding another probably substitute or replacement for the Adobe Acrobat, and it's easy to install, easy to use, easy to explore by yourself. See you in the next video.